Friends, today we study about the practice set 2.1. In this practice set, there are six six questions are given. So, in this video of practice set 2.1 part 1, we have solved the four questions. First four questions. So question number 1 is write any two quadratic equation. We write the two quadratic equation by own. So you also write by own your quadratic equation, but in this video we write the quadratic equation. First, x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, and second is 2x plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Sorry, 2x square plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Friends, we know about the two condition to write the quadratic equation. First condition is highly index is 2 and two variables are included in this equation. So our question number 1 is complete. Question number 2 is decide the which of the following is the quadratic equation. We have given the 6 example of a quadratic equation, but we decide this is a quadratic equation or not by the condition we have. So first equation is x square plus 5x plus minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So we write in the sentence answer, this is quadratic equation. Why? Because the highly index is the 2 and two variable are included. So this is a quadratic equation and two variable are included, but these two variables are a same, x at the first term and at the second term. Both are a same variable, but there are a two times, so it is a quadratic equation. Second example is y square is equal to 5y minus 10. We firstly we have write this equation in the correct form. So y 5y minus 10 is change their position and minus y plus 10. So y square minus y plus 10. Firstly we write this equation in the firstly we write this equation in the standard form, then we solve this when we decide this is a quadratic equation or not. Friend, this is a quadratic equation because the highly index is 2 and two variable are included. So this we write answer by a sentence, this is quadratic equation. Friend, this is the second example. Next we solve the third example. The third example is x square plus 5x is equal to minus in bracket 3 minus x. This is the equation. Firstly we write this equation in the standard form by changing their position. X square plus 5x next is equal to minus 3 plus x, minus into minus plus. So x square plus 5x minus 3 plus 3, sorry, minus x plus 3 changes their position, so side also change, so sign also change. X square plus 4x, 5x minus x, 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is also the quadratic equation because the highly index and highest degree is 2 and two variables is included. So this is a quadratic equation. Two condition is necessary to write the quadratic equation to decide the quadratic equation. Highly indexed is 2 and two variable are included, but these two variable are same in the later. So friend, fourth example, sorry friends, we have solved this third example of another question, so this is wrong. So friend, third example is y square plus 1 by y is equal to 2. Friends, this is the equation in the fraction, so we multiply equation by y and multiply each term of the equation. So we write multiply each term of equation by y. So friend, y square into y square plus 1 by y into y is equal to 2. So y cube plus y is cancelled 1 and plus 2 is changes to minus 2 is equal to 0. So friends, this is not a quadratic equation because the Highly index is 3 and we have the Highly index 2. So this is not a quadratic equation. So we write in the sentence, this is not quadratic equation. Fourth example of a second question is x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, sorry, is equal to minus 2. Friends, in this question also we multiplied the each term by x to cancel the fraction x. So x into x plus 1 by x into x is equal to minus 2. X get cancelled, x square plus 1 is equal to, sorry, minus 2 is changes to plus 2 is equal to 0. X square plus 3 is equal to 0. Friend, this is a quadratic equation because the Highly index is x and two variable I include, because when we write x, friend, when we write x square plus 3 is equal to 0 by under root x plus under root 3, so we have given the conditions of the quadratic equation. So friend, this is a quadratic equations. So this is a quadratic equation. Fifth question of this practice set is m plus 2 in bracket and second bracket m minus 5 is equal to 0. Friends, we multiply this first bracket to second bracket to get a equation. So m into m square, m into minus 5m, 2 into m plus 2m, 2 into minus 5 minus 10. So m square minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0. So friend, this is a quadratic equation because Highly index is 2 and 2 variable is included. So this is a quadratic equation. Friends, last question of this question you solve at homework, as a homework. This is very easy. Then friends, third question of our practice set, sorry, so friend, last question of second question, sixth example is m square, sorry, m cube plus 3m square is equal to, sorry, minus 2 is equal to 3m cube. So firstly we write this in equation, m cube minus 3m cube plus 3m square is minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. So friend, this is a not a quadratic equation because the highly indexed is 3. So this is not quadratic equation. So our second question also complete. Our third question is write the following equations in the form ax square plus bx minus plus c. Friend, this is called a standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is called a standard form. We also called this equation by the standard form. So in the form ax square plus bx plus 3 plus c is equal to 0, then write the values of a, b, c for the equation. We have given in the question sixth example. We have solved this equation and convert in this equation in the standard form and write the value of three terms, means a, b, c coefficients. Okay, so question number 3's first example is 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. So we convert this minus y square to this side, plus y square plus 2y and plus 10 to minus 10 is equal to 0. So friend, this is we convert the standard form, and value of a is 1, value of b is 2 and value of c is minus 10. Because value of a is the coefficient of first term, value of a b is the coefficient of a second term, and a value of a c is the coefficient of a third term. Second example of a third question is x minus 1 square is equal to 2x plus 3. So firstly, we write this equation in the standard form. X minus x plus 10, x minus 10 is equal to 2x plus 3. So sorry, firstly we write this equation in the standard form. X square minus 1 square means 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. X square minus 2x minus 1 minus 3. We change these values of 2x plus 3 to this side, so sign are changed. So x square minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So this we write the in the quadratic equation. So value of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to minus 2 and value of c is equal to minus 4. So our second question are also complete. Then we write the third example of a third question. uh, x x square minus sorry x square plus 5x is equal to minus in bracket 3 minus x. Firstly, we write this equation in the standard form. So x square plus 5x minus is multiplied to bracket minus 3 and minus into minus x is equal to plus x. Then x square plus 5x plus minus x plus 3. We change the sign of right hand side to the left hand side. uh, X square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is a standard form. This is a quadratic equation. So value of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to 4, value of c is equal to 3. Fourth example of a third question is 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. 3m square minus 2m square plus 9 is equal to 0. So 1m square is remain, plus 9 is equal to 0. M square plus 0m plus 9 is equal to 0. Friends, when we write m square plus 9, the second variable is not included. But when this condition is occur, we write next of the m square 0m or any variable are given. So this is the quadratic equation. The value of a is 1, value of b is 0, value of c is 9. So our fourth question is also complete. Friends, you know that the when we write any quadratic equation and any condition like this, m square plus 9 is equal to 0, we write m square plus 0m because two variables are included in the quadratic equation. So write the 0 after the m square and attach the variable. So fifth example of a third question is uh, p in bracket 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. We convert this in the standard form. 3p plus 6p square is equal to minus 5. Then uh, we convert the 6p square to the this side and 3p square 3p to this side. So 3p square plus 3p on minus 5 to the plus 5 is equal to 0. Then value of a is 6, means the coefficient of a first term. Value of b is 3, means the coefficient of a second term. And value of c is 5, means the value coefficient of a last term, third term. And last example of a third question is x square minus 9 is equal to 13. Friends, we convert first in the standard form. X square minus 9 minus 13 is equal to 0. X square minus 9 minus 13 is equal to minus 22 is equal to 0. We know that when we write this condition, we write the x square plus 0x minus 22 is equal to 0. Friends, like this condition, x square minus 22 is equal to 0, we write x square plus 0x minus 22 is equal to 0. Why? Because 0x is not given, but the 0x exactly is included in this equation, so it is a quadratic equation. And therefore the value of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to 0, value of c is equal to minus 22. Friends, meaning of a standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, like this. 6p square plus 3p plus 5 is equal to 0. Friends, when we write the value of a b c, meaning of value of a is coefficient of a first term, value of a b is equal to the coefficient of a second term, value of a c is equal to coefficient of a third term. So friend, this is our practice set 2.1 part 1. We complete the first 3 questions. Next 3 questions we complete in the second video of practice set 2.1 part 2, because our video is goes long. So we complete this practice set in the next video. So friend, please write in the comment box any mistake in the video or any mistake in the practice set, and please feedback to our video.